Here's how to clear your YouTube watch history in just a few seconds. This works on both iPhone and Android. Now we need to open the YouTube app and tap your account icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings gear in the top right, then select Manage All History. This will take you to your YouTube account's watch history. Now tap Delete. You'll see three options. If you only want to remove today's history, choose Delete Today. If you want to delete videos from a specific period, tap Delete Custom Range. Choose the dates you want, then tap Next and confirm. And if you want to completely erase your watch history for this YouTube account, simply choose Delete All Time and confirm. Keep in mind that this only deletes the watch history for the YouTube account you're currently signed into. If you use multiple accounts, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family for more easy YouTube tips.